MWE. Shout out to Yako Taco, one of our patrons. If you want your name on a chair, follow the link in the description and support the chairman tier. And this is gonna be a great night leading up to Friday's Christmas special. Who's coming out first? We're gonna start off the action here with Little Man.
Can't wait for Christmas. My family gonna have a great Christmas. Oh wait, I'm still in debt. My Bitcoin was lost.
This is sad. In fact,
Unless
he needs a Christmas miracle.
BLOZO attacked me backstage and took my mask. Good thing I had my jacket to cover up my face. He did not see who I was. Urban, retrieve that mask for me. Thank you, Urban.
Urban is a kind soul this holiday season.
With that paycheck coming up soon, I need it.
He wants that Christmas bonus. To get a holiday meal. What a roll. He puts up the M and a moonsault. M for moonsault. And his opponent, BLOZO. And he just runs straight in, sliding in, and this match begins. Ding, ding, ding. Our opening contest, Little Mad searching for retribution. BLOZO just wanting to put another notch on the wall of destruction. And boom, lifty, lifty. Folly, folly, he's hurt and he ain't feeling holly jolly this season. And a lariat pulling him back into the clothesline of a lifetime. And the lifetime might be over for Little Matt. He just got tossed into the rock wall. Tossed right where it hurts. Oh, he just slammed his head on the Yako Taco chair. And a clothesline into the ring sends him flailing. Little Mad just was decimated by BLOZO. BLOZO locking in the choke. Locking in the rear naked choke. He's gonna pass out, isn't he? No, he hits it, a jawbreaker. A jawbreaker, he survives. A jumping enziguri with a twist. Kick to the knee, he is not falling down. But he's down now. Flying Meteora right through the chest. One. No, barely. Just a 1 count. BLOZO kicking free. It's gonna take a lot more than that to take out this clown. Up and down with the choke slam. Sends him levitating and falling down onto his stomach. And he's going for another one, it looks like. Bam! He just flew 2 feet up in the air after that. The rebound was incredible. And I don't think he's gonna rebound from these heck-lacious moves. And now, snare trap on his face. 1, 2, 3. The Golden Dome has been shattered. BLOZO picks up a W. His momentum is building to his championship match in a street fight against Urban this Friday. Looking big. And Little Mad is looking little, and he just crushed him with the compactor jumping senton.
Welcome back to MWE.
9900. And Azulito, I know this Friday you're taking on my man, my sensei, Ian. Ooh, yo-hoo. Yeah, well, I'm gonna take you on right now. Come on out. I'm gonna soften you up for my sensei. For the man that taught me so many holds, I can do this.
Will the challenger accept Steak Longhorn's challenge? He does!
I accept it! And Ian, you might think he's gonna weaken me, but all I'm gonna do is weaken him and make you depressed again!
He's gonna give Ian depression. Now, don't exactly know how that works. Botchamania. Absolutely embarrassing. Oh my gosh, ring the bell. Ding, ding, ding.
He taught me that one, baby.
Ian taught him that move, but he must not have taught him how to dodge maneuvers. Eating all of these shots. 1, 2, kick out.
I'm tougher than a $2 steak.
If it wasn't for his toughness, he might have just lost. Tried to jump at him, ducking underneath.
This one.
He's trying to do Ian's famous maneuver. Ian taught him this one too. The famous DDT, but snapmare.
Oh.
And now he's got a neck breaker choke. Never seen this one before. And twists him around. And he slams him down. 1, 2. Oh, he kicks out. Former
I'm thinking on my feet.
Chica champion on the mat.
I'm gonna think off my feet.
Steak Longhorn with a huge leg drop. 1, 2, kick out. Put the horn on his chest. And now, lifting him up, Ian's student, I guess is what you would call him, his apprentice, is doing quite well for himself, all things considered. Knee strike. Azulito sends him down. 1, 2, kick out. Steak Longhorn, tougher. He's almost as tough as he is in Japan.
I'm gonna make this place my Japan.
The tough Texan, will he tap? Thinking about it. Using the monkey grip to avoid tapping out. And now, he's turning it around. They both are twisting each other onto the ropes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both men let go.
Oh gosh, dang this. That's my giddy up and knee. Oh my God.
Later this week, we will have a pay-per-view that is, of course, free on YouTube, as all of our shows are. But it is a special show as he elbow drops him. 1, 2. And we will see Azulito versus the Jika champion, Ian. And in the main event, MWE champion Urban defends against BLOZO. But right now we're seeing a match that's getting pretty epic. Lifting him up, the strength, ducking underneath, trips him down. 1, 2, kick out. Azulito went for a stomp, rolled out of the way, kneeing him in the arm, but a drop kick as he comes back. And now, making a cover. 1, 2, 1, 2, kick out. Azulito almost stole one. Steak Longhorn, his most impressive match to date. was against the retired Owen. Threw him into a door, showed off his extreme prowess. But his wrestling was never that great, which is what Ian is looking to address.
I'm just like my old horsey. I got 2 broken legs. Sega! Put me down. Put me down.
Asking to be.
Put me down. Put me down.
It was a setup, a clothesline. But he's already back up. No, he's dead. And a headbutt with the horns. The clothesline, it did not have the run up or the setup as his famous clothesline, and he got caught with a cutter. Could call that the Christmas cookie cutter. Seems fitting. 1, 2, kick out. The SummerSlam, more like the winter solstice. Cause winter. Not that you can tell, cause there's not a single snowflake. Speaking of snowflakes, Steak Longhorn is no snowflake. Resisting, tapping out, and he gets ropes. 1, 2, letting go at 2. His broken knee. Oh my gosh, just kicking it. And he's bending the knees back. He's making sure he will not be able to interfere in the Chica champion match. But he gets the ropes. 1, 2. Oh, but he drags him back. And an elbow. And a senton. And another one. 1, 2. Kick out. Do not confuse somebody's car alarm going off with the bell, because this match is still going.
Second power! Did you say car alarm? That was mine.
And he gets driven into the mat. That was his what? That was his what?
Oh, gosh, you're dying here.
That- He got his elbow up. He may have punted him directly where the sun don't shine.
It's shining over there. I need to get over there.
Where is he going?
Oh, that feels good. Oh, that's where the sun's shining.
Going to where the sun shines. This guy's, oh my gosh, on the ground. He is on the ground. Tumbling like a cattle with no legs being shoved down a hill. And both men are out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a DDT off the tree. We are at 8, 9, and a jumping bulldog. That tornado DDT off the tree, a specialty of Azulito. You'd know that if you were subscribed to our Patreon last year and watched MWE Opportunity. And a body cross. 1, 2, 3. Here is your winner, Azulito.
Chica forever, and I'm gonna be Chica champion forever after I beat you, Ian. Second!
Azulito, the winner. The winner of the... Oh my gosh. You know that song. You can hear it from across the freaking universe. A spear from the Chica champion.
This is the gold that I took from you. Let's take something else from you. one of those old brain cells.
He's gonna take his brain cell.
This will feel good.
That might be the last taste of gold he ever gets. DDT with the belt on its head. Message delivered. Elbow drop with the gold.
Throw him up if you know how.
Do it.